Hello, I'm Torie, your MB reporter, and welcome to the Paris Auto Show. We're here to see the launch of the new generation B-Class, which promises not to compromise on style and sportiness if you're in the market for a family car. And it's the beginning of a new era for the C63 AMG. Okay, let's start off with Mercedes' biggest seller, the B-Class. As you can see, the launch of the new generation happened today. It promises to have sportiness, sleekness, and not compromise its practicality when it comes to family use. It also promises to deliver individual style. Your individual style, my individual style, his individual style, and let's face it, they all might be completely different. So how are they going to do that? Well, just like the A-Class, they're launching 3 different design lines: Style, Urban and AMG. There are also 3 different complementary design packages, so let's take a closer look. So as you can see, it's ergonomically designed and really comfortable, and once again you can customise the interior depending on which design and equipment line you go with, including cranberry red leather. It's also got a freestanding screen, and another thing is the new generation steering wheel with the 3 spokes. This one, once again, slightly different because it's the AMG line. This one has a flat bottom which beautifully emulates a racing car. Okay, so let's get techie. Now, the new Connect Me services are available on board, which obviously assist with your driving, but for me, most importantly, help you drive that little bit more safely. And tucked away in here are 2 USB ports, so you can directly connect to your smartphone. Okay, and of course, let's finish by taking a look at the exterior. Just by looking at it, you can see it's a lot more fun. You can tell that it's going to be sporty and fast to drive. This probably comes from the shaping at the front, this V-shape down to the radiator. This, of course, being the AMG style, is far more aggressive. It's also got much larger air vents. So we're looking at an AMG style B-Class. Let's now take a look at the C63 AMG. The successor to the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG, which was incredibly popular worldwide, by the way, has got a new name, Mercedes-AMG C63. However, the biggest standout feature for me is its relationship to this beast. The engineering excellence that's found with the Mercedes-AMG GT is pretty closely related to what's underneath here, a 4-litre V8 bi-turbocharged engine, which really gives it some power. So not only is it a brilliant family car, it's also going to be pretty good on a racetrack as well. That's all from me here at the Paris Auto Show. I'll see you next time with MB Reporter.